into a little bit about how we can support keeping our animals warm and vibrant and healthy, etc., through these challenges, despite these challenges. And one of the easiest ways is to adjust your diet for winter.
Yeah.
Right? Because that is our internal heating system.
Yes.
You want to be feeding warm foods, and that means maybe warming the foods physically.
Yes, warm the food.
Heat warm, and also warm energetically.
Yeah.
You know, you're not going to be cooking food for your horse, but
Yeah.
but you still can feed them foods that are energetically warm and going to create warmth within their body.
Yeah.
So
I actually in winter, well, it's not cold enough, but when it was really, we had colder winters here, some kind of colder winters, then I used hot water to soak the alfalfa cubes. And this way and it helped them.
Yeah, and what you can do if you really want to up that is to make herbal teas with warm water and soak the alfalfa with herbal teas, like you know, warming
ginger
or marjoram, oregano, those sort of herby things that they may not select just separately as dried. You know, a lot of the more pungent ones they don't always want to eat, but in a tea they are delicious.
They're willing. Yeah,
exactly. So that you can actually add, oh, there we go, it's there, the last thing, warm spices and stuff to their food to help them warm food. Root vegetables, anything to do with roots in wintertime. Roots. Winter is the time of roots, going down to your roots, eating roots, root oils.
And
go on.
For older dogs, sometimes I'd use easy protein because their stomach is a bit weak, but warmed up. Okay, so like more chicken, fish, even if it's not warm in temperature as food, but it's easy to digest because they don't have enough inner fire to digest something that is stronger protein, like lamb or meat or.
Yeah, that's a really good point. Horses, on the other hand, herbivores, grazing animals, they need more high fiber. That's what's going to keep them warm. So, you know, I watch my horses eating at this time of year, and they're eating a lot of leaves and twigs and the dried out ends of shrubs, and you're looking at them going, really, that's what you're eating? There's fresh green grass growing right now, what are you on? But
I always
they're preferring. They like that really tough, rough, chewy, high fiber that goes into, because they're designed like that. That's how a horse is designed, to have all of those high fiber foods go into their hind gut and create warmth at this time. That's what keeps them warm. So really important. Oats is a nice warm food for horses. So soaked whole oats is what I tend to use.
And you can soak it in warm water.
Soak it in warm water, absolutely, if you're close to a warm tap. So that's warming foods. Consider the foods that it's really good to adjust your diets to the season.
It's like we adjust our diet. It's
absolutely.
The same thing.
Totally, 100%. Bone broth, ideal winter food for carnivores, the doggies. Okay, so that's winter foods.